We don't know if the delta PFE functions. So what we did is hook a vacuum to one side, the reference side of the delta PFE, and apply about a 5-inch vacuum. Notice when we do that, we get no change in the delta PFE voltage. It is not functioning. We applied the vacuum right here on the reference side. That's the small hose on the front of the aluminum. We've got the high side is on the right of the new plastic ones, and it's on the left side, again the smaller hose on the new plastic. This device is not functioning 2 volts or up to 4.5, and we had 3.2 volts.